cassava is one of the important staple food in African countries. Half of the world's cassava production comes from here. In fact, in addition to making cassava flour and Gari, processing cassava into starch also has broad market prospects. Due to the fact that the equipment processing industry in Nigeria has not yet developed and the degree of industrialization and automation is low, the cassava processing still uses the original rough processing method, which cannot meet the huge market demand. So Mr. Tom looked at the world and sought international cooperation to find a strong enterprise that could undertake the project of cassava starch processing plant. Through inquiries on the internet, Goodway was contacted.
We are a well-established manufacturer of cassava deep processing for more than 30 years, which is second to none in the industry. Basically, all of the customers who want to install the cassava starch processing plant cannot bypass us. That's why Mr. Tom found us on the internet and contacted us directly.
In the communication with customers, Mr. Tom clearly put forward his needs.
First, the production line needs to meet his processing capacity. Second, he's more worried about the installation and the commission of the processing equipment. The last point is that he hopes the manufacturer he chose have the experience in the foreign project. We have started exporting turnkey projects since 1991. We have found many different projects in Africa and Southeast Asia.
Mr. Tom decided to learn more about the company's business situation, and then went to China 2 months later to visit the company.
Let's look inside and see if there's any connection made.
Goodway arranged its engineers and foreign trade sales managers to accompany the whole process and introduces the operation of the entire sets of cassava starch processing equipment in pure English.
Price and technology are also issues that customers are more concerned about. First of all, our technology is as same as of that in Europe. Furthermore, our price is much cheaper than similar products in Europe. Then, the customer can comprehensively consider our good equipment from the aspects of the advanced equipment, scientific configuration, process rationality, and quality.
He chose and believed Goodway Company and decided to we work together.
We will fully consider the details of the equipment, operating cost, process technology, energy consumption, water consumption, and other details, and tailor-made cassava starch processing plant project for our customers. Excellent configuration, high production efficiency, and good finished product quality.
In the production process, we strictly control the quality and live up to expectations, and completed the production and delivery of the equipment within the specified date. According to Mr. Tom's request, Goodway strictly follows the delivery time of the equipment in the contract. After 2 months, the equipment was completely delivered to the customer. Immediately, our installer rushed to Nigeria to install and debug the equipment.
This process We have provided relevant suggestions for plant construction, auxiliary guidance, equipment foundation, equipment connection, water and electricity connection, and so on. Get the installation, which took about 2 months.
At this point, the Cassava Starch production line was finally installed and began installation testing. During this process, our technical passed on the knowledge of equipment operation and maintenance to the local workers to ensure that it can be put into production smoothly in the future.
Half a year, our technician guy went back again to communicate the related problems encountered in the production and give suggestions. In the process, we learned that the daily sales of the customer have far exceeded expectations.
This starch production line brings not only the profit of a factory, but also the hope of countless working families.